Okay. So now we continue the sum number one, section F. Okay. So here, first of all, we find here that is sigma x, that is a 335, y that is a 127. After that, u is equal to x minus a is equal to 37 here, b is equal to y minus b is equal to 14. So जो कल नहीं थे उनके लिए रिपीट है ये. So here value is 2 and here value is 1. Okay. And u square we already find here. Okay. And after that you have to find your uv. Okay. Now we find here uv. So minus 2 into plus 1, that is a minus 2. 4 into minus 1, that is a minus 4. Here 0, here 0, here minus 3, here minus 1, minus 2, minus 1, minus 2. Okay. What's total here? Okay. Next one, that is here byx equals to, that is n into sigma uv minus sigma u into sigma v divided by n into sigma u square minus sigma u whole square. So value of n, that is here. How much value that is n? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So 9 is there. Okay. So 9 into sigma uv minus 15. Sigma u, that is a 2, and sigma v, that is a 1. Okay. Now divided by n, that is 9. Sigma u square, that is 10. Sigma u whole square, 2 square. Okay. So here, what is value here? 15 into 9, 135. Okay. So minus 135. Here minus 2. 10, 9 the 90. 2 is a 4. Okay. So minus 135 minus 2, that is a minus 137. 90 minus 4, that is a 80. चालू है अभी लेक्चर. हाँ तो 12 का यार किसका होगा फिर अभी. ग्रुप में देख तू पहले. So here, that is a 137 divided by 86. Okay. What is the value here? Okay, so minus 1.59. Okay. Value, value is minus 1.59. That is value of E. Okay. Now value of A. So इसको यहाँ पे कर देते हैं. किसने किया? मेरा तो अभी लेक्चर चालू है अभी बेटा. अरे हाँ वो फीस का प्रॉब्लम था ना. फीस का प्रॉब्लम था ना तेरा कुछ. हाँ हाँ. Okay. So now here, स्टूडेंट्स का फोन था अभी, उनको निकाल दिया, वो ग्रुप में नहीं आ पा रहे. ओके. So here a is equal to y bar minus bx bar. Okay. Value of a, that is the y bar. Okay. So y bar here 14.11. Okay. 14.11. Value of b, that is a minus 1.59, and the value of x bar. Okay. Value of x bar we will find here, that is a 37.22. Okay. 37.22. So 14.11. Now here minus 159 into 37.22. What is value here? Okay, 59.18. Okay. So add the value here now. 29. Okay. So 73.29 is the value of A. Okay. Now find out the y cap. Okay. Here in question number 1, value of x is given, that is 40. Okay. So y cap equals to a plus bx. Okay. And here x value is 40 is given. Okay. So value of a 73 point. हाँ. अरे पर बेटा अभी वो अभी लेक्चर चालू है मेरा, तो एडमिन से रेनू मैम को कांटेक्ट करो. रेनू मैम को कांटेक्ट करो, वो क्लास टीचर अभी का. हाँ 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 हाँ, कोई बात नहीं। ओके हाँ यस यस ओके। So now here, that is the value of A, that is 73.20, value of A, that's 73.29 plus B, that is a minus 1.59, okay. And X value is, that is a 40, okay. Now 73.29, now minus 1.59 into 40 करो कितना आ रहा है? ओके, अब इसको माइनस कर दो अभी इसमें से, कौन सी वाली? 9.69, okay. So 9.69 is the value of 40, okay. When price is 40, demand is 9.69. Okay. So your first question is finished. Okay. Now second question. So what is going to be second question? The information is regarding the experience in here of 8 workers on a machine and their performance rating based on the non-defective units they manufacture in every 100 units are as follows. Okay? So experience of workers and performance rating. Okay. Now see जितना experience ज़्यादा होगा उसका wastage भी क्या होगा कम होगा. Okay, तो performance rating क्या होगा high होगा. Okay, so there is a positive relations between these two variables. Okay, when your experience is increased, your mistake will be less. Okay, obtain the regression line of the performance rating on the experience. Performance rating on the experience is y on x. Okay, and estimate the performance rating if a worker has an experience of 17 years. So estimate यानी क्या करना है आपको y का find when x equals to 70. Okay, तो 17 years का उसको एक्सपीरियंस है. Okay, तो उसका परफॉर्मेंस रेटिंग क्या होगा? सो आंसर इज इन पॉजिटिव. ओके, आंसर तो पॉजिटिव में ही आएगा बिकॉज देयर इज अ बॉर्डर रिलेशन बिटवीन टू वेरिएबल. अभी कितना आएगा पॉजिटिव वो आपको चेक करना है. ओके, सो 5, 12, 15, 8, 20, 18, 22, 25, and y, that is 80. Next one 82, next one 85, next one 81, next one 90, 90, 95, 97. What is value of x and y? 125. And value of y? Okay, thanks. So here x bar is at a sigma x upon n. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Here 8 workers is given. So 125 divided by 8. What is value here? Okay. Now y bar, that is a sigma y upon n. 700 divided by 8. Okay. What is value here? Okay. 87.5. Barabar. So here both the values are in decimal. Okay. So here formula is UV. Okay. So u equals to x minus a. अभी यहाँ पे कुछ डिवाइड हो सकता है? No, not possible. So x minus a होगा. So we are taking near to this value and we are taking here 16. Okay. So here a value equals to 16. Okay. Second, that is a v equals to y minus b. Okay. And divide, it is possible here? No. Okay. So here divide is not possible. So value of b, that is 87.5 is given. So we are taking it 88. Okay. After that u square and after that u. Okay. So here x minus a here, so x is 5, 5 minus 16, value is minus 11, minus 11, no? Okay. So now 12 minus 16 minus 4, 15 minus 16 minus 1, 8 minus 16, that is minus 8. Okay. Next one 20 minus 16 4, 18 minus 16 2, 22 minus 16 6, 25 minus 16, that is 9. Now here 11 plus 4 15 plus 1 16, 16 plus 8 that is 24. Okay, 9 plus 6 15, 16 17, 17 plus 4 21. So answer is minus 3. Okay. Answer is minus 3. So v is equal to y minus v. So 80 minus 88 that is a minus 8, minus 6, minus 3, minus 7, and plus 2, plus 2, plus 7, and here that is a plus 9. Okay, 97. Now total of this. Okay, 8 plus 6 14, 14 plus 3 17, 17 plus 7 24. Okay, so minus 24. 9 plus 7 that's 16, 17 18, 19 20. Okay, so answer is minus 4. Okay, so now you square. 11 11s are 121, 4 4s are 16, 1 1s are 1, 8 8 are 64, 4 4s are 16, 2s are 4, 6 6 are 36, 9 9s are 8. Now after that you will be okay. 8 into 11. Okay, 11 is 88, so minus minus plus 6 4 are 24, 3 1s are 3, 8 7s are 56, 4 2s are 8, 2s are 4, 7 6 are 42, 9 9s are 81. Now one square of UV and U square. One square of this how much? 339. Here na U square. U square 339. Okay, okay, 339. And then UV. What's the of UV? 306. Okay. So now here Vyx is equal to n into sigma UV minus sigma U into sigma V divided by n into sigma U square minus sigma U square. So value of n, that is the year 8, sigma UV 306, sigma U minus 3, sigma V minus 4 divided by n. N value is here 8, sigma U square 59, and sigma U whole square, so minus 3 whole square. Now 306 into 8, 8 is a 48, and 8 is a 24. Okay, 2448. Okay, here 4 is a 12. Now here 338 into 8 करो, sorry 339 into 8 करो कितना आ रहा है? Okay, okay. Now here 2448 minus 12. How much? Okay. So now here minus 9, that is a 27. Okay, now divide the value 0.9. Okay. So here value of Byx that is 0.90. Now find the value of A. Okay. So A is equal to y bar minus Bx. Okay. Y bar value is how much? That is 87.5 minus value of B, that is a 0.90. 0.90. Okay, and here the x bar value is given, and that is 15.63. So here 87.5 होगा. Now this multiply the value 15.63 into 0.9. What is the value? 14.07. Okay. Now minus the value here. Okay. So your value of A, that is a 73.43. Now y cap. Okay. Here 17 is given x. Okay. So here y cap is equal to a plus bx, and x value is given, that is a 70. Okay. So value of a, that is a 73.43, that's value of b 0.9, value of x is given 17.7. Okay. So here 73.43. Now 0.9 into 7 kilo kitna aa raha hai? Okay, point. Add the value. Okay, 88.73 is the final value. Okay. So now next one, that is the question number 3. Okay. So what's given question number 3? The information is regarding daily income in rupees and expenditure in rupees of the 5 labor families earning by daily workers. Okay. So your 5 labor is given, daily income is given here and expenditure is given here. Okay. Obtain the regression line expenses on the daily income. Okay. So Y on X. Estimate the expenditure. Estimate selling Y cap of a family having daily income of रुपीज 500. तो यहाँ पे एक्स क्या हुआ है आपका 500. ओके. तो एक्सपेंस कितने होंगे आपको वो फाइंड करना है. ओके. सो हियर इज 200, हियर इज 180, हियर इज 500 इज बिटवीन दिस. ओके. तो आपका जो आंसर आएगा मे बी ओके, नॉट कंफर्म बट मे बी इसके बीच में आ सकता है चांसेस. ओके. सो लेट्स सी हाउ मच आंसर इज देयर. ओके. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 now. Here x and here y is given. Okay. So here 200, 300, 400, 600 and 900 is given. Okay. And y, that is a 180, 270, 320, 480 or 700. Okay. Now what is the value of x? Very good. So next y, 1150. Okay, 1950. So here x bar, that is a sigma x upon n. Okay. 2400 divided by number of observations 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So divided by 5, what is value here? 480. Yes. Now y bar, that is a sigma y upon n. Here 1950 divided by 5. Okay. What's value here? 390. Okay. So here both the value are not in decimal. Okay. So but in this case we are divide the value. Okay. So we are taking here u and v. Okay. बराबर. तो आप नहीं करोगे तो भी चलेगा. ओके. आप x माइनस एक्स बार से भी कर सकते हो. डिवाइडेड बाय क्या करो आप इसको यहाँ पे जो 100 इज देयर. ओके. सो डिवाइड बाय 100 हियर. ओके. एंड y माइनस y बार, तो उसमें यू आपको लेना ही पड़ेगा बिकॉज डिवाइड करोगे आपको उसमें लेना ही होगा. यू और v होगा. ओके. सो हियर इन दिस केस x बार इज 480. So there is no option. Okay. आपके पास कोई ऑप्शन नहीं. 480 है तो आपको ऑटोमेटिकली आपको लेना होगा. Okay. x बार 480. Okay. But sorry, here we are taking here 500. Okay. Because we are taking divided by 100. That's why. So we are taking here 500, not 480. Okay. Understand all of you? X value of a. Okay. Value of a, that is a 500. That is 500. Okay. वैल्यू ऑफ ए का लेंगे 500 लेंगे तो आपका यू इज इक्वल टू एक्स माइनस से डिवाइड बाय 100 हो जाएगा. ओके. और वी इज इक्वल टू वाई माइनस वाई बार. ये आवाज किसका आ रहा है? बंद करो माइक. वाई माइनस वाई बार. ओके. डिवाइडेड बाय क्या करेंगे यहाँ पे 10 कर देंगे. ओके. सो वी आर टेकिंग राउंड फिगर. सो यहाँ पे भी 390 है तो वहाँ पे आपको चेंज करने की जरूरत नहीं है. सो बी होगा वैल्यू ऑफ पी, दैट इज 390. ओके. और यहाँ पे आप 10 ले लो. ओके. इसके बाद यू स्क्वायर और यू. सो यहाँ पे आपको क्या करना है? 200 डिवाइडेड बाय माइनस 500 डिवाइडेड बाय 100. व्हाट इज वैल्यू इज -3. ओके. 300 minus 500, that is -2, -1, +1, and 500 minus 900, that is 4. Okay. So here 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6, -6 or +5. आंसर क्या आएगा? 1 आएगा. ओके. Here, that is a 180 minus 390. Okay, divided by 10. What's the value here? 180 minus 390 divided by 10. Okay, so minus 21. No, minus 21 आ रहा है ना. Next one, 270 minus 390 divided by 10. Value is 12. Okay, minus 12. Here 320 means क्या होगा? Minus 7 होगा. 9 minus 2. Okay. 480 minus 390. That is something 9. Okay. 480 minus 390 divided by 10. So 9 is okay. 700 minus 390 divided by 10. So 31. So now here final answer that is 2 0 आ रहा है. ओके. हाँ, बिकॉज 0 आना चाहिए क्योंकि यहाँ पे 390 है. ओके. So use square now. 3 is a 9, 2 is a 4, 4 is a 1, 1 is a 1, 4 is a 16. Okay. And here you will okay. You can use 21 into 3, 3 is a 3, 2 is a 6, minus plus plus, 12 2 is a 24, 7 is a 7, 9 is a 9, 4 is a 4, 4 is a 12. Okay. Now limit of both the value here. So here 9. And here will be okay, 227. Okay. So now formula of v by x n into sigma uv minus sigma u into sigma v divided by n into sigma u square minus sigma u whole square into that is the cy upon cx. Okay. So here n value is 5. Okay. And value is 5. So sigma uv value is that is a 227. 7. Sigma u into sigma v. Sigma u that is a 1 into 0. Okay. 1 into 0 divided by n that is 5. Sigma u square and sigma u whole square. Okay. Sigma u square 31 and 0 square. Okay. Into cy upon cx. So cy is that is 10 and cx is 100. Okay. So here 2 to 7 into 5. What's the value? 1 1 3 5. Okay. So here 0. 5 1 5, 5 3 15. Here 0. Now here 0 cancel. So 1 upon 10. Okay. So here first of all divide the value. Zero. Okay. So the answer is 1. Okay. So here is 5 15. So 155 minus 1. Okay. That is 154. Okay. अरे आपका घर का आवाज यहाँ पे आ रहा है. घर का आवाज यहाँ पे आ रहा है. बंद करो बेटा. So 154. Okay. Here. ये आवाज किसका आ रहा है भैया? अरे यार घर का आवाज यहाँ पे आ रहा है. बंद करो इसको. हाँ. So when we divide the value here, answer is 7.37. Okay, divided by 10. Value is 0.73. Okay. So यहाँ पे 74 हो जाएगा because 7 is there. Okay. So 0.74 is the value of v by x. Okay. Understand this, all of you? Boys and girls. हाँ, आवाज नहीं आ रहा मेरा? अभी आया? हेलो, अभी आवाज आया मेरा? आवाज आया अभी मेरा? हाँ, ओके. So now, next one, that is the value of a. Okay, value of a. A is equal to value of. अरे यार, घर का आवाज आ रहा है यहाँ पे, बंद करो इसको यार. किसके घर का आवाज आ रहा है यहाँ पे? So that is the value of a. Value of a, that is a y bar minus bx bar. Okay. So y bar value is given. What is the y bar value? Here 390. Okay. So 390. Put the value here 390. Value of b 0.74. Value of x bar. Value of x bar, that is here 480. Okay. So put the value here 480. Now here 390 or 0.74 into 480. 0.74. 355.2. Now, okay, minus the value now. 34.8. Very good. So here value of a, that is 34.8. Okay. Now find the value of y cap. Okay, because here x value is given, that is a 500. So y cap equals to a plus bx. Okay. Value of a is given, and that is a 34.8, and value of b 0.74. Value of x, that is 500, is given. So x equals to here 500. So 34.8 plus 0.74 into 500. 0.370. Okay. Now add the value here. How much? Okay. 404.8 is the value of y cap. Okay. Is the value of y cap. Next one, that is the question number 4 now. So what is given in question number 4 now? Let's see. The following information is collected by a firm to know the effect of an advertisement campaign. Here is given here. Advertisement cost 10,000 is given here. Sales in crores is given here. Okay. Obtain the regression line of a sales on the advertisement cost. Estimate the sales when the advertisement cost is 5 lakh. Okay. So here 10,000 is given and here is 5 lakhs. Okay. तो आपको क्या करना होगा? 5 lakh divided by 10,000 करना होगा. तो जाके आपको x की वैल्यू मिलेगी. So let's see what is the answer here. So x and y, value of x and value of y. Okay. So value of x, that is 12 here, 15, 15, 23, 24, 38, 42, 48. Okay. And here y, that is 5. Next 5.6, 5.8, 7, 7.2, 8.8, 9.2, 9.5. Okay. Now total of x and y, what is value? 217. Or y? 58.1. Okay. So now here first of all find x bar sigma x upon n. Okay. So your value is 217 divided by number of observation, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So divided by 8. What is value here? Okay. Y bar, that is a sigma y upon n. Okay. So here 58.1 divided by 8. Okay. What is the value here? 7.26. Okay. So here both the value here, y bar is also in decimal and x bar is also in decimal. Okay. So formula is UV. Okay. So U equals to x minus a. Now divide by यहाँ पे कुछ भी नहीं हो सकता, okay, because all the values are different. So v equals to y minus b. यहाँ पे भी कुछ नहीं हो सकता, बट यहाँ पे आपको पॉइंट निकालने के लिए आप पॉइंट 1 से डिवाइड कर सकते हो, ओके. आफ्टर दैट u square, after that uv, okay. Now here x minus a, first value, that is the x minus a. Okay. So x minus a, that is a 12 minus a. So value of a we are taking here, and that is a 27. Okay. So value of a, that is 27. तो आपको x bar के आजू बाजू रहना है, okay. इससे जितना दूर जाओगे उतनी वैल्यू यहाँ पे बड़ी आ जाएगी, okay. So here x bar, y bar is 7.26. Okay. तो यहाँ पे आप ले सकते हो, that is 7 ले लो, okay. बराबर. So here value of b, that is 7, and value of a, that is 27. Okay. So here x minus a, that is x value is given and a value is 27. Okay. So 12 minus 27, what is value here? Okay, minus 15. Yes. So put the value here, minus 15. 15 minus 27, that is minus 12. 15 minus 27 minus 12. 23 minus 27 minus 4. 24 minus 27 minus 3. 38 minus 27, that is 11. 42 minus 27, so here 12 minus 7, that is here 5. 3 minus 2, that is 1. Okay, so now 48 minus 27, so 8 minus 7, 1, and here 2, 21. Okay, now total of this 15. Okay, so मैं 1 रखता हूँ यहाँ पे, okay, plus 1 no, plus 1. Okay, okay, okay. So now v, okay. Now v is equal to here 5 minus 7. Okay, 5 minus 7. What is value here? 2. 2 divided by 0.1. So answer is 20. Okay. So answer is here 20. Okay. Now 5.6 minus 7. Oh, sorry, minus 20. 5.6. 5.6 minus 7 divided by 0.1. Value is 14, no? Minus 14. 5.8, that is a 6, 7, so 12 minus 12. 7 minus 7, that is 0. 7.2, that is 2, okay. 8.8, that is 18. 18 are na? 8.8, okay, minus 7 divided by 0.1. Okay. Next one, that is a 9.2 minus 7, 22. Okay. 9.5 minus 7. 9.5. Okay, okay. 25. Now, what is total here? Final answer. The pumps at the bottom level sufficiently under control. Now the water was under control. 21 are okay. Plus na? Okay. So now u square 15 15s are 225. 12 12s are 144. 144. 4 4 are 16. These are 9. 121. 225. And 441. Okay. 1325. Okay. So now UV. Okay. Multiply this value. 15 to the 30. So 300 minus minus plus. 14 12s are 14 into 12. 168. 12 12s are 144. 400. 3 to the 6. So minus 6. Okay. Then 18 into 11. 198. 22 into 15. 330. 25 into 21. 5 to 5. and total of this UV. Okay. 16 1659. Okay. Okay. So now here value of byx. Okay. Byx is equal to n into sigma uv minus sigma u into sigma v divided by n into sigma u square minus